explaining that Adam was not deceived. So if he transgressed God's law, it is not under the deception of Satan. He transgressed God's law or commandment willfully in his proper mind. He know that what he will do, eating that fruit of the knowledge of good and evil, is against the will of God who put them there in the Garden of Eden. That's why, weighing it from this information we have, Eve was not lying. She said when she ate the fruit and have committed the sin, it is because she said, the serpent beguiled me and I did it. Eve was deceived. Adam was not deceived. Which is the weightier sin or the bigger sin? It is the sin of Adam. That's why, if you are asking me, were they forgiven? Actually, Eve was forgiven. She was forgiven. She was given chance to salvation. Let us read again in 2:11. I will read. Let the woman learn in silence with all subjection. But I suffer not a woman to teach, nor to usurp authority over the man, but to be in silence. For Adam was first formed, then Eve. And Adam was not deceived, but the woman being deceived was in transgression. 15. Notwithstanding the transgression of Eve, she shall be saved in childbearing. There is still something that Eve will do or will perform. Her duty is to bear child for God and for Adam. That's why the Apostle Paul saying, notwithstanding she shall be saved in childbearing. Eve has all the chance of being saved, and that salvation she will obtain by doing her part in creation, that is by childbearing. And the penalty of her sin will be in childbearing also. She will conceive according to the punishment given to her. I will greatly multiply thy sorrow and thy conception. In sorrow thou shalt bring forth children, and thy desire shall be to thy husband, and he shall rule over thee. That's why we can get from these informations in the scriptures that Eve was pardoned. She was forgiven by God, given the complete chance to be saved if she will continue performing her God-given duty of bearing children for God. Remember first, brothers and sisters, the woman was created for childbearing. Why? Let us read Malachi chapter 2, verse 15, Brother Daniel.
And did not he make one? Yet had he the residue of the Spirit. And wherefore one? That he might seek a godly seed. Therefore take heed to your spirit, and let none deal treacherously against the wife of his youth.
Speaking to the man, not to the woman. Speaking to the man. Did not he make one pair, one couple, a couple? Did he not make one, only one? Yet had he the residue of the Spirit. he has